Let me show you exactly what you get inside the Why I Quit bundle. The main book, Why I Quit, A Teacher's Real Talk Guide to Leaving, Earning, and Never Looking Back. Well, this is my honest account of leaving teaching or leaving the classroom specifically, what the transition looked like, and the framework I used to rebuild. It's real and not a highlight reel. Bonus one, the gentle exit checklist. A step by step list of every practical thing you need to think through before and during a transition so nothing falls through the cracks. Bonus two, how to use AI in your next chapter. Specifically for teachers, how AI tools can accelerate your transition and help you package your skills for a new market. Bonus three, the Transferable Skills Kit, a skills inventory, resume template, and LinkedIn profile guide built specifically for former teachers entering new fields. Start with the free guide. It is linked in the bio. It's the first step that leads to all of this.